The iMotion tilting electric motorcycle is a modern micro-vehicle designed to give you the excitement of a bike with the safety and comfort of a small car. Its smart tilting chassis can lean up to 35 degrees, allowing you to enjoy smooth, controlled turns while staying stable on the road. With a width of only 79 centimeters and a weight of about 230 kilograms, it's built for busy city streets, letting you move easily through traffic and park in tight spaces. Unlike regular motorcycles, this enclosed ride keeps you protected from weather and accidents. It features crash-absorbing zones, 4-point seat belts, electric side doors, hydraulic disc brakes, and even windshield wipers, giving you a safe and comfortable driving experience. Inside the cockpit, everything feels secure and convenient, making daily commutes much easier. The vehicle is fully electric and offers two battery options: a fixed battery that can take you up to 200 kilometers, or a swappable one with a 70 kilometers range. With a top speed of 115 kilometers per hour, it delivers both power and practicality for everyday city travel. The Agibot X2, also called the Lynx X2, is a new general-purpose humanoid robot created by the Chinese startup Agibot. Launched in early 2025, this compact robot stands about 1.3 meters tall and weighs around 34 kilograms. Despite its small size, it comes with 28 degrees of freedom, which means it can move smoothly and naturally, much like a human. One of its biggest strengths is the advanced AI inside it. The Agibot X2 uses Agibot's powerful Go1 AI model, allowing the robot to learn new tasks on its own, adapt to different situations, and even understand human emotions through facial expressions and voice cues. The robot is built to work in many different areas. It can help take care of the elderly, remind people about their medicines, support teachers in education, assist in retail and hospitality, and even serve as a security guard or home assistant. With its flexible design and smart behavior, the Agibot X2 aims to make human-robot interaction easy, helpful, and more natural than ever before. The Helios 3 is a highly advanced indoor drone built to inspect, map, and survey places that are too dangerous or impossible for humans to reach. Designed for tough industrial environments, this drone uses powerful computer vision and lidar mapping to understand its surroundings. With the help of Flyability's SLAM engine, it creates real-time 3D maps and stays stable even in tight, dark, or dusty spaces. One of its biggest strengths is its collision-resistant cage, which protects the drone while allowing it to bump into obstacles without crashing. The Helios 3 comes equipped with a 4K camera, a thermal camera, and a bright, built-in lighting system, making it perfect for detailed inspections. By replacing risky manual inspections, the drone greatly improves worker safety and speeds up the entire data collection process. All captured data can be easily analyzed using Inspector 4.0 software, helping companies make faster and smarter decisions. The drone also features a modular payload system, allowing add-ons like a flammable gas sensor. With up to 12 minutes of flight time, the Helios 3 is a smart, reliable tool for industries needing safe and accurate inspections. Enterprise 7 Wi-Fi is the next big step in high-speed wireless technology, built for businesses that need powerful, reliable, and non-stop connectivity. Using the latest Wi-Fi 7, 802.11b standard, it delivers extremely fast speeds and massive network capacity across the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands. This advanced system supports up to 12 spatial streams and includes 10 GB uplinks with dual redundant ports, ensuring stable performance even in the most demanding environments. Enterprise 7 Wi-Fi is specially designed for high-density areas, handling more than 1,000 to 2,500 connected devices at the same time. This makes it perfect for large offices, universities, stadiums, factories, and any place where hundreds of users need smooth internet access. It also comes with smart features like real-time spectral analysis and Prism active RF filtering, which help reduce interference and maintain clean, stable signals. Thanks to its low latency and strong performance, it supports critical tasks such as Ultra HD video streaming, real-time monitoring, automation, and mission-critical operations. This AI-generated short film imagines a future city that feels advanced but still believable. The skyline is filled with tall skyscrapers shaped with smooth, aerodynamic curves and covered in solar reflective materials that help save energy. Below them, clean and well-organized roads create a sense of order and calm. Drones and self-driving vehicles glide through the city with quiet precision, all guided by a highly efficient AI system that keeps transportation smooth and safe. Many buildings feature rooftop gardens and vertical farms, showing a strong focus on green living and producing fresh resources within the city itself. The roads and transit routes are cleverly designed, often elevated or modular, to make the best use of space while keeping pedestrians safely separated from heavy traffic. Streetlights, signs, and digital displays are simple and smart, adjusting in real time based on weather, lighting, and crowd movement. What makes this city special is how realistic it feels. Instead of looking like distant science fiction, it seems like a natural evolution of today's smart cities, built on sustainability, AI-powered engineering, and thoughtful urban planning. It's a hopeful vision of how technology and nature can exist side by side. Jetman isn't exactly an Iron Man suit, but it comes pretty close. The jet wing from Jetman Dubai lets humans soar through the sky with incredible ease. Built from lightweight carbon fiber and powered by compact jet engines, this wing can reach speeds of up to 253 miles per hour, cover distances of 31 miles, and climb to heights above 20,000 feet, all in a single flight lasting up to 13 minutes. Recently, Jetman pilot Vince Ruffett took the wing for a thrilling flight in Dubai. During his test, he reached an average speed of 149 miles per hour and flew more than a mile above the ground. The experience gives a whole new perspective on what it feels like to truly fly, combining the rush of speed with the freedom of gliding through open skies. While still in development, the Jetwing is designed to offer everyday people a chance to explore the world from a completely new angle. It's not just a technological marvel, it's an invitation to feel the thrill, wonder, and joy of human flight like never before. The OMOWay OMO X is a next-generation electric motorcycle built with a unique modular design that lets it shape-shift into 3 different styles: a scooter, a street bike, or even a cruiser. This flexibility makes it perfect for city rides and long journeys alike. Packed with advanced AI and IoT technology, the OMO X offers smart features such as self-parking, automatic balancing, and intelligent navigation. Its powerful Halo Pilot AI system takes safety to the next level, using 360-degree cameras to detect obstacles, assist with collision braking, and maintain adaptive cruise control for smooth riding. Visually, the OMO X stands out with its futuristic look, highlighted by eye-catching Saber light technology. It even supports wireless charging, making it more convenient and modern than most electric bikes on the market today. Designed for riders who want both style and intelligence in their daily commute, the OMO X aims to completely transform urban mobility. With its smart systems, sleek build, and all-terrain versatility, this electric motorcycle is shaping up to be a game-changer. The OMO X is expected to hit Southeast Asian markets in early 2026, offering a fresh and exciting future for electric two-wheelers. 1. Concept reveal. Beyond Aero has unveiled One, a groundbreaking hydrogen-electric business jet designed to redefine sustainable aviation. Built for 6 to 8 passengers, the One offers an impressive 1,500 kilometers range and a cruising speed of 573 kilometers per hour. Unlike battery-only aircraft, the One uses hydrogen fuel cells, delivering a far greater range and dramatically lower operating costs, estimated to be up to 55% cheaper than traditional private jets. Beyond Aero has already completed a successful propulsion system flight test and is targeting market entry by 2030. The company is now working closely with EASA to develop certification pathways for this quiet, eco-friendly, and revolutionary aircraft set to transform the future of private air travel. Scarabane is a next-generation, self-sufficient caravan designed to bring luxury living to the outdoors in a smart and eco-friendly way. Built with futuristic technology, it unfolds like a mechanical flower, turning a compact trailer into a large and comfortable living space within minutes. The entire structure sits on a rotating base that automatically follows the sun, allowing its solar panels to capture maximum energy throughout the day. Its smooth, aerodynamic outer shell opens up to reveal a stylish and modern interior. Inside, you'll find everything you need for a comfortable off-grid lifestyle: a fully equipped kitchen, a clean and functional bathroom, a cozy living area, and well-designed sleeping space. Every part of the interior is created with modular design to make the best use of every inch. To stay fully independent, Scarabane is powered by built-in solar panels, a compact wind turbine, and an advanced water recycling system. This makes it completely self-reliant, perfect for travelers who want to explore remote places without giving up comfort, convenience, or SU. The XB-70 Valkyrie was one of the most incredible aircraft ever created, soaring at Mach 3 and flying higher than 70,000 feet. During the Cold War, it looked like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. This giant bomber was designed by the US Air Force to travel so fast and so high that no enemy jet or missile could catch it. The aircraft was over 185 feet long and used a sleek delta-wing shape powered by 6 massive afterburning turbojet engines. Its main defense wasn't weapons, it was pure speed. At Mach 3, the Valkyrie could simply outrun anything threatening it. To survive those extreme conditions, engineers built it with advanced materials like titanium and stainless steel honeycomb panels, pushing aerospace technology further than ever before. Inside, the cockpit held modern avionics for its time and a pressure-sealed crew capsule built for long-range nuclear missions. Only 2 prototypes were ever completed, and the aircraft never went into full service. But the XB-70 became a powerful symbol of American innovation, showing just how far technology could go in inspiring the next generations of high-speed flight. The UDX Airwolf is an exciting new hoverbike from the Czech company UDX, designed to change the way we think about personal air travel. With its sleek, motorcycle-like look, the Airwolf can carry 2 people in an open cockpit, giving a thrilling flying experience. It uses 4 electric ducted fans, EDFs, that tilt independently, allowing it to take off and land vertically, as well as fly forward efficiently. Lightweight carbon composite tandem wings help it glide smoothly through the air. This innovative hoverbike can reach speeds up to 143 miles per hour and go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest personal air vehicles in development. Currently, the prototype can fly for around 25 minutes and cover up to 41 miles on a single charge. UDX envisions the Airwolf being used for urban commuting, recreational flying, and even search and rescue missions, opening up a new world of possibilities for personal mobility. With its mix of speed, agility, and futuristic design, the Airwolf is shaping the future of how we move through the skies. Isn't exactly an Iron Man suit, but it comes pretty close. The Jetwing from Jetman Dubai lets humans soar through the sky with incredible ease. Built from lightweight carbon fiber and powered by compact jet engines, this wing can reach speeds of up to 253 miles per hour, cover distances of 31 miles, and climb to heights above 20,000 feet, all in a single flight lasting up to 13 minutes. The Vortex spaceplane, revealed at the Paris Air Show, is Europe's bold step toward the future of reusable space travel. Designed by Dome Aviation, this advanced vehicle is built to carry cargo, satellites, and even astronauts between Earth's orbit and a normal runway, just like an aircraft returning from space. The Vortex program follows a multi-stage roadmap, starting with a 1/3 scale demonstrator. Over time, it will evolve into smart free-flying models, cargo versions, and eventually a fully crewed spacecraft. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to handle hypersonic re-entry, thanks to advanced thermal protection and precise aerodynamic control. This allows the Vortex to glide smoothly from space back into the atmosphere and land safely on a runway without special equipment. From recovering satellites to resupplying space stations or performing in-orbit missions, the Vortex is built for flexibility. Its hybrid design mixes aircraft-style operations with the long-range abilities of a spacecraft. By developing Vortex, France and Europe are positioning themselves at the front of modern space access, offering a smarter, reusable, and fully sovereign way to reach orbit.